We're committed to clearing up common misconceptions in the tire industry and showing you how retreads can benefit your business. Let's reimagine what you know about retreads. One rumor in the mill is that retreads aren't good for the environment. Well, kudos for considering the environment before making your decisions, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Manufacturing a retread tire requires 15 gallons or 56 liters less oil and approximately 90 to 100 pounds or 40 to 45 kilograms less total material than a new tire. And that is just scratching the surface of retread sustainability. In this case, the statistics speak for themselves. Studies show retread tires can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 24%, air pollution by about 21%, natural resource extraction by approximately 70%, land use by around 29%, and water consumption by somewhere around 19%. While many owners and operators think that a low-priced import tire is a better choice, these one-and-done disposable tires create risks that are stacking up. Many of them don't meet the EPA Smart Way rolling resistance targets, and disposing of all these ultra-low-price, seldom retreaded tires means filling up those landfills. Run on retreads to do your part in reducing environmental impact, and retreads will do their part to increase your bottom line. It's time to rethink retreads with Michelin Retread Technologies. Learn more about Michelin Retreads at business.michelinman.com/MRT.